Boom, baby, Morad Fiki. I'm at Sam's Repair Shop. I'm so excited to meet with Kareem and discuss his business. Let's go check it out. Hi, Kareem. How's it going? Oh, man, thank you for having me. This is great. You're working hard?
Very hard, man. Every day working.
All right.
Yes, how is everything for you?
Great.
Hello. Welcome to the Sam's Repair, Mac Repair. We fix laptop, MacBook, PC. We help customers to upgrade their device. We do this every day, and hopefully you like the business. I can tell you what we are doing every day.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Laptop. People sometimes, they drop their laptop. We order the part, we fix them. We sell some computer. We upgrade also a hard drive on some device. So we do a lot of work on those iMac. They do have HDD hard drive. We fix them. We replace this kind of hard drive with SSD, and to get better performance on the iMac. You can, if you have older machine, we can do that for you.
So if I drop my laptop in a pool,
Also,
I can bring it to you?
Yeah, we can always try to fix it. It's not easy, but we have to do a lot of deep job to do the repair.
Okay.
But also, we do bore level repair. This is a little bit advanced repair, but you can bring it. We take a look at it, and we do our best to fix it for you.
Okay. Okay, so what does your typical customer bring in their, like, what does their typical customer do?
Most likely people bring the laptop with the virus issue. We try to remove virus or reset the laptop. Sometimes they lose their file. We do a backup of their file. We upgrade the hard drive. Screen repair also. There is a lot of cracked iPhone or MacBook Pro. We fix the screen. This is like the daily job in our business. We help the community. Sometimes they need help. We do that. When sometimes also they cannot fix it, we stay with them, or they cannot manipulate the laptop. We tell them how to do it, how to especially sometimes the older people we help also, and we take our time to do it for them.
Excellent. Well, thank you for having me. This is great. This is fantastic and enlightening. How can people reach you for more questions or help?
Yes, our phone number is 713-781-6999.
Okay.
My email address is service@samsrepairs.com.
Okay.
Also, our website is www.samsrepairs.com.
All
We are
right.
located in Houston, Texas, 2727 Fondren Road, Suite 4A. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Good to see you.
See you soon.